This is why I say I don't particularly like mail-in repairs. You see the corner of that box? Customer forgot to write fragile all over the outside of it. You need to write fragile all over the place. And even sometimes still they come to me looking like this. But thankfully he packed this thing fairly decent and put all of his information inside, even though his handwriting wasn't all the greatest. That's why I always ask you to email me the information as well as put the information inside the game system if you agree to my terms to mail it to me for a repair. Some repairs I will refuse. There's some white thermal paste in here. He actually was planning on repairing it himself. Very bad choice of thermal paste. Anyway, he had tried to repair this himself and pulled the HDMI port off, and for the life of me I still ain't figured out why he put the warranty seals back on. It looked like he was going to try and send it to Microsoft or excuse me, Sony, and try to get them to do the repair, but they wouldn't have. They would have said no, absolutely not, even if he hadn't gotten in there and this was broken naturally, because of what I found on the inside. Here's the serial of the box. This is a model 1001A. Okay, let's give you a look at the port. See, it's totally gone. Sorry about the autofocus. Totally gone. And as you can see, his warranty seals look intact, but there's a few little scratches. They would have seen that it was open. It really wouldn't have mattered, like I said, because let's take a look at what I actually found inside. Here's the contact that he ripped off trying to remove it. I had to rebuild that. That thing is like less than the width of a hair. Take a look at this. There's one of the legs. The actual posts to two of the legs that hold the housing on was broken. Here is proof of completed repair of your game system, just for you to see. Sorry, I wish you had a gamer tag in there. It would have been nice to actually show you a gamer tag for your box, but it just came up as user 1, I think it was. Anyway, this is just to let you see that it was in fact repaired and ready to go. I uploaded a game previous to making this video, but I wanted to let you see that it was in fact working and ready to be shipped back. Now guys, I recommend you totally try to find somebody qualified local to do your repairs. If you can't find anybody, I will accept a mail-in repair, but only after you tell me you cannot find anybody local that's qualified to do your work. And then only if the cost of the repair is reasonable to the system. Okay? So sending it to me for a clean out is just not an option. Okay, so nobody goes saying, oh my god, his soldering sucks. That's micro soldering. 99% of you cannot do this at home without schooling. Period. That's why I tell everybody these YouTube videos showing you how to replace them ports with a heat gun is bull. Excuse the language. Stay safe, happy gaming, everybody.